Here we have a 2017 17 plate BMW 420d M Sport X-Drive. Now we do have the 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Now just hiding behind those, we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as the black Kinney grills, full M Sport styling kits to get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, a rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now as well as the blacked out M Sport kit and the wheels, we do have the blacked out styling on the window trim. We also have the privacy glass on the rear. Now we do also have that rear shark fin antenna, dual X exhaust, flush at the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. We do get the front and rear parking sensors with visual display on the centre screen. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. The rear does look superb from every angle. Now there's a quick look at the last alloy wheel. If we go inside, I'll show you bits of the interior. Looking straight into the back, you can see we do have the full Dakota leather throughout with the ISOFIX point, pull down armrest in the centre, and we also have the storage tray in the centre there as well. There's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat with the extended thigh support. You also have the M stripes just in there with the blue stitching. On the doors you get your electric windows with your integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside, looking down there, you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, you do also have keyless start from a touch of a button. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. You also have paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. Now this vehicle has done just over 85,870 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now on the end of the wiper stalk you do have the button for the auto wipers. That will light up green when it is activated. Now coming to the centre screen, you can see the satellite navigation. You also have your nav. Media connectivity, so you do have DAB, FM, AM, music collection, aux, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. Now you do also have Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Now we do have different drive modes. We do have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus. Now in Sports and Sports Plus you can also see the kilowatts and newton meters of torque that you're currently using. Pop car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there. Now I'll pop that back into park. Now when you go on home you do have your notifications and all those other settings just there as well. You can connect your phone to it, so you can also do lots of other stuff via your phone. Coming down here we have your dual zone climate control. Now this works exactly how you would expect it to, with ice cold aircon for those hot summer days, and you do also have 2 heated seats in the front, so for those cold winter mornings rear does make all the difference as they do warm up quite quickly. Storage tray just down there, pop this open, reveals 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity. Track control on and off as well as your drive mode select and also your parking sensors. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen. Now when you are in the map you can also use the touchpad just there to zoom in and out of the map. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath. And there's a look at the passengers, a full Dakota leather front seat with the extended thigh support. Now do you have the brushed metal and the gloss black trim all around the interior of this vehicle, which really does look absolutely superb and makes the interior of this car very, very nice to be in. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, we do have competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.